Jai Srimanarayana. 27th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameswaram Vinasyatsu avinasyantam yah pasyati sapasyati. Om. Realize that you are known as Atma. You are ruling your body. So also all the living beings, those bodies are ruled by those different Atmas. And also realize the fact that all these Atmas ruling the bodies are the same. While realizing this, act and behave accordingly. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that I am known as Atma. I am ruling my body. So also all the bodies are ruled by those different Atmas. And all these Atmas are the same. While realizing this fact, I shall try to act and behave accordingly. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukadamrutadravasanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam Rasamalayam Muhuraho Rasika Bhuvi Bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam Pravrajantamanupetamapeta Krutyam Dvaipayano Virahakatara Ajuhava Putreti Tanmayataya Taravobhineduhu Tam Sarvabhuta Hrudayam Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, Avadhuta saying to Prahlada like this, O Prahlada, how much ever you put effort and gain so much of wealth and all pleasures, None of them can give you peace of mind. And those who are greedy, not only they won't have peace, but also soka, moha, bhaya, krodha, raga, klaibya, shramadayaha. They will have grief, they will have delusion, they will have anger, they will have attachment, they will have kind of not being able to do things, inability, disability. They will feel so much of restlessness. Those who are greedy, they will have all these things. Oh Prahlada, the honey and honeybee and python, there are two animals. They teach us detachment and contentment. How? The honeybee, it brings so much of honey, but it won't eat that honey. All other people will grab that honey, whatever was earned by that honey bee. So it is teaching us how much ever we earn, we won't enjoy all that. That will be grabbed by some other people. So with this, with honey bee, we can learn vairagyam praptaha yat sikshaya, detachment we can learn. And python, it won't move anywhere. Whatever it comes, the food, it will eat and take care of its body. And it won't put lots of effort to bring food. With this, paritoshancha praptaha yat sikshaya. Whatever is available, whatever you are getting, be content. That lesson we can learn from this python. Oh Prahlada, I am being content with whatever is coming to me. Even if doesn't come, anything doesn't come, I am being courageous. I am brave enough to lead my life. That is why my body is very strong and I am healthy. O Prahlada, kvachidalpam kvachidbhurihi bhunjennam svaduhu asvaduva kvachit bhuri gunopetam gunahinam manayuktamaina manaheenamaina లేదని ఎవ్వరినడుగను రాదని చింతింప పరులు రప్పించినచో కాదని ఎద్దియుమానను ఖేదము మోదమును లేక క్రీడింతుమదిన్. Even if it is just little bit I get, or if I get so much, I get bad thing, I get good thing, I get tasty thing, I get non-tasty thing, and ever anytime anybody gives food by respecting me or with carefulness, by caring me, or does if anybody gives food by scolding me. Throughout all these things, among all these different things, I will not shake at all. My mind is always stable. That is what I practiced. Like that Avadhuta saying to Prahlada. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 13th chapter, 27th sloka. Samam sarveshu bhuteshu tishtantam parameswaram vinasyat savinasyantam యః పశ్యతి స పశ్యతి. సమం సర్వేషు భూతేషు తిష్టంతం పరమేశ్వరం వినశ్యత్ స వినశ్యంతం యః పశ్యతి స పశ్యతి. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.